What's going on, guys? Welcome to Rob's house. Day 2 of the GForce rally. We are headed back to our stomping grounds in Knoxville, Tennessee tonight. We're gonna be hitting the Dragon, but first we're in North Carolina. Everybody's fueling up, and then we're gonna hit the road to our first gas stop. Super excited, obviously really excited to kind of be on our home turf because I've been looking forward, ever since Jamie got the NSX, I've been looking forward to experiencing it on the Dragon. And I got to experience it on the track yesterday, which is absolutely mind-blowing. And I really can't wait to see what it can do on the Dragon, because I've seen Jamie drive it on the Dragon and he is extremely fast. So we'll definitely set the cameras up for you guys. I'll do the camera setup like I did for the track so that you can see us in the cabin and you can see the front of the car, and you know, it'll be a good time. But for now, fueling up and then we're gonna get on the road. We were just able to get a 4-lane wide group photo on the interstate. So sick. I can't wait to see how that turned out. Well, the road's open.
We're off to Mexico.
When in Mexico? Oh yeah. It's so smooth, dude. It's so smooth. Like, Jamie's one-handed it. He's like, just look at him. Chill. Just
Sunday drive, baby.
This is Sunday drive, that's right. We're hanging out. All right, guys, we're at our first fuel stop of the day. We stopped here to take a group photo because they have a nice big lot, so we're just lining everybody up, getting everyone packed in for a nice group shot. We did pick up some cars along the way, and we'll be picking up some more in Knoxville today. So new to the pack, Lamborghini Huracan joined us last night, and his buddy over here in the Ferrari 488.
It's a great cast of cars, man.
And this Hellcat wide body. And I think we have a few more that we're picking up in Knoxville. So it's actually gonna be a pretty big pack of cars. I mean, you can see there's a solid amount of people. All right, guys, we are rolling out of Asheville now. We just stopped here for lunch. We are headed to our home turf on the Dragon. We're gonna stop at Fontana Dam first and get some photos, stop at the Killboy store, then we'll actually run the Dragon, and that'll be it for today for day 2. All right, guys, we made it to our last stop before the Killboy store at the base of the Dragon here at Fontana Dam. It's one of the biggest dams in the country. It is absolutely gigantic, and everyone is kind of coming in here to take a break. So while we're doing that, let's get the drone up in the air. Well, you guys know where we are. We're at the Killboy store. We're gonna get everyone parked and then we're gonna run the Dragon. I'm gonna set up the cameras and I'll see you guys out there. All right, guys, Dragon blast time. High crash area, next 11 miles. So guys, for everyone watching at home on YouTube, cop. So for everyone watching at home, we're leading the pack through the Dragon. We have some first timers with us, so we're gonna try to go at a reasonable pace, not our, you know, a little slower than our usual, but still have a good time. And there was an accident earlier today, so apparently it's pretty close to where we just started. A couple of motorcyclists just signaled cop to us, so we'll get past that and then we'll kind of start rocking.
She said it was mile marker 3.
Yeah.
So very close.
Very close. There it is. Was he?
On that bike, yeah. Motorcycle.
Alrighty. I think we're probably Whoa!
And that's what we're
guy in the Cayman can drive. He's right with the C8.
Yeah, he is.
The R8's with him too.
I'm actually pretty leisurely though.
I know. Yeah, for those of you at home, this is a very, very leisurely pace for us. You can kick it up a little bit if they want. I mean, up to you, man. Whatever you're feeling. I'm cool with whatever. I'll take that as a yes. To put space on the Cayman, but the guy in the C8's with you, dude.
Yeah, he is.
He's a good driver. Dude, the French guy wants more. He wants it, dude. He's awesome. Oh, that was not cool. What that motorcycle just did.
Yeah, he just passed that car right there.
Sure.
This car's got some sexy fucking sounds going on.
Yes, it does, dude. Apologies to YouTube, not much commentary. I'm just trying not to distract Jamie here. He's killing it. And the car feels great. I mean, really. All right, overlook. It's gonna blow their minds that that's like a chill pace for us. Hey man, you gotta give the Cayman and the R8 credit, man. They kept up.
Yeah, they did.
They were there the whole time. And of course the C8 behind us, that guy's he's a fucking savage, dude.
Yeah.
He's a good driver.
Yeah. I ride with him any day.
Yeah, 100%. That guy's a very
I'd
good
ride with
driver.
Austin any day.
Honestly, yeah, in the Cayman,
Yeah.
yeah, pretty solid. Dude, everyone's with us.
Yeah, they are.
Wow, all right. We got some wheelers on the GForce rally. Hell yeah. How'd that feel? Trying to keep the pace, you know, spirited but safe. I'm glad you guys had fun. All right, guys, YouTube, back to the vlog. Hope you enjoyed the Dragon Rip. All right, guys, so we made it to our hotel here in downtown Knoxville, the Embassy Suites, and it's actually the next morning already. So we had a little bit of a complication last night. So I have to close out the vlog this morning. As you can see, we're getting ready to roll for day 3. Close out for day 2. We had a little bit, a series of a couple of complications. Jamie is going to have to split off after we leave Tampa at the end of the rally because of a family emergency. Out of respect for his privacy, I'm not gonna divulge any other information besides that. But with that said, he is going to have to not go back to Tennessee. He has to change course on his way back. So that left us in a little bit of a conundrum because it was like, all right, well, how do I get home? And he was like, well, I'll either buy you a plane ticket or rent you a car or something and we'll split off. We'll still be able to do most of the trip home together, but we would have to split off around the Atlanta area. He could either just drop me off at the airport in Atlanta and I'll just fly to Knoxville, or rent a car, right? But then I had the idea, I was like, you know what, man? You've been doing really fine driving on your own. Jamie also, on his own side, just got over a surgery, so he didn't know how fatigued he would get driving. That's part of the reason that he asked me to be a co-pilot is obviously, aside from just like broing out like we always do, is last year, I mean, it's a lot of driving, you know, I mean, it's just a lot of driving. So just to kind of split up the driving, and also in case he did feel very fatigued, to not have that pressure on him. You know what I mean? Then I'm there. Worst case, if he's all of a sudden this is really wearing on me, you know, maybe I hop back on the horse too soon, so to speak, whatever, then I could just take over. So anyway, without getting into too much of the personal details related to that, I actually talked to Joey, the guy who runs GForce Rally. Shout out to Joey. And because we were in Knoxville, I was like, you know what? The third option is I take the Corvette. I ran that by Joey and he was like, absolutely, whatever you guys need to do, whatever you think makes sense, do that. So I go back to my house because we were here in Knoxville for the night, right? So when we were all headed to the hotel, we split off and went back to my house. Pulled the Corvette out of the garage, flat tire. There's a screw in the tire. Just what we needed, right? Just what we needed. Ran over to Advanced Auto, grabbed the plug kit, plugged it up, it held air fine, made it over to the hotel. But long story short, like we were sort of running late for dinner and stuff like that, and I forgot to close the vlog out. So anyway, all is well. It's not a big deal. Everything's gonna be totally fine. But now we are gonna do the rest of the rally, the remaining 2 days in the Corvette. I haven't really been vlogging too much in the car. You've seen some flybys, but I'm not gonna be able to do that anymore because I'm gonna be driving. With that said, I'll still give all the updates, obviously, and all the stops. Still show you guys some sick drone shots of wherever we stop. We're gonna be in Savannah, Georgia for day 3 and Tampa, Florida for day 4. Should be awesome. And we'll still have plenty of footage. It's gonna be a good time. We just had to call an audible. Sometimes things come up in life and that's what you have to do, right? So that's what we're doing. Super thankful to Joey for just sort of letting me add my car to the pack. Anyway, that ends it for day 2. We had an absolutely awesome time. I hope you guys enjoyed all of this footage of our little escapades through the mountains in our home turf today. I'm gonna close it out there and we'll see you for day 3 in the next video. As usual, I hope this video is entertaining and I'll see you guys next time.